inspected this vehicle for you. Visually everything is good. Yes, there are slight cosmetical issues, some light scratches, some blemishes, some areas, some just basically natural wear and tear, some scratches here. Cosmetical that should not affect the sail. Alloys you mentioned to me, they are in a good condition. Yes, they needs to be cleaned from the brake dust to the back. So you mentioned some scratches. Yes, if you're going into micro too much, yes, you will find some, but I would say they are in good condition. That's the visual look of the vehicle. Some chips here, some little rust already start appearing here in this section. There's some light scratch there. Like I said, those little issues should not really affect the sail. Interior is in a good but used condition. Some light scratches here, the scratches here on the panel, some scratches down there on those trims. Inside here as well, in a good condition, everything works. This thing needs to be removed, otherwise you can't buckle the seatbelt in. Again, some of them wear and tear issues. No, that's not a scratch, just a bit of soil. So that's the vehicle, pretty much. There's wear and tear on that driver's side seat. You'll see that in the pictures. When it regards to driving on a road test, I find there is a noise coming when you're braking. It feels like the vehicle will take off like a plane. So I believe, can't find any wheel bearing issues, but I believe though because of those discs, they are scored, and because of those discs, they're making a horrible noise when you're braking. Also, clutch is too high for the mileage. Yes, it is lady owner, but you basically will need a clutch anytime soon. You can really feel the clutch smell a bit when you do a bit of heavier driving. Same on this seal, you can see a bit of scratches here, and yes, this is 14,000 miles. Has both keys, one key battery's low. There's a few faults in it, which are minor things, battery low and something else. We'll come back on that in the report. Yeah, and slight winding noise I noticed in the first gear when it's sort of resting in the first gear, as you would be let it roll in the first. You can hear slight winding noise from the gearbox. That's it, you know. Certain things needs to be sorted out. Thanks for using us.